Why you pick him? Crosses. You know, say it's a little wicked foul. Why you pick him? Why you pick him for again kill you right now? Them terrible. Look at the little chicken with them a pick up. Look how they look. Why you pick him for? Don't do it. You're too rude. Come pick me now. Come pick me. Hey, wicked son. Come on. Come pick him back. Pick him back. Wanna pick him back. Pick him back. Wanna pick him back. Pick him back. Pick him back. The fuck on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go on in. Bad chicken. I rate to know. Uno a rebel. Uno go over. Go over now. Uno a rebel.